What is up, you guys? We are back with another video today, and obviously we are working on the G. Ignore the dirtiness. It's been raining for like 2 weeks straight now, something like that. Big pain. Anyways, we got car parts, and it is time to get rid of this measly muffler delete, like just grossness in these tiny little pipes here. It's time to get rid of them. So me and my friend Hunter, who you guys have never seen, Austin was gonna be here, but he had to pack for Colorado since we're leaving for that in a couple days for Thanksgiving break. So me and Hunter are gonna knock this exhaust out before we leave and hear how it sounds. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably crawl up there and then give you guys a few last revs before this exhaust goes bye-bye. So give me just 1 minute. So, as you guys remember the muffler video, me and Austin simply took the hangers off because it was just easier to do that. Figured that out the hard way, it was not. And Hunter's up there, he's going to be taking off the old exhaust. So, I'm going to go on ahead and grab my old muffler and start taking these things off. I just gotta figure out what they were. Oh, never mind, I can just slide these off. Give me just 1 minute. So we just got the hanger off of my old muffler down there. All Hunter did is, let me show you guys real quick. Oh my gosh. All Hunter did is he just stuck the screwdriver through one of these tips right here and then just started prying it off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and probably put it on the muffler and then start putting everything on. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So as you guys can tell, it's been a few days from the last clip, and that is because we had to, as you guys remember, we had to cut these bolts out because it was literally like, it was stuck in there. So today I'm actually going to be going through and installing my exhaust. Hunter's not with me. He obviously went back to his family for Thanksgiving, and Austin is sick, so he can help me out today either. So we're doing the solo. What we have to do is, the SOHO kit came with new bolts and nuts for the flanges. So we had to I'm gonna go through, drill them out, and then go ahead and put the exhaust on and tell you guys what it sounds like. Sadly, there will be no driving clips right now. I'll film them later. My clutch is going out, so I'm getting a new one installed very, very soon. So let's go on ahead and start putting the exhaust on. It's as easy as that. And there is the old exhaust system. So now what we're gonna do is these two bolt holes are a smidgen too small. So I'm going to simply round those out a little bit and then go ahead and put this half of the exhaust on. Sounds so good.
I know, it's loud back here.
Hit it. that there is